Hi, Eden. Good morning.
Oh, that's a big camera.
Yeah.
I was not expecting that. Wait, I have to look at my shirt.
Mine wasn't charged up.
Good morning. I look like a hot mess express. But
You look good.
look. There's baby cooking in there.
The baby.
It's very small. You can't really see it.
Oh, love you, hon. All right, let's take a look.
A new eggie.
Whoa,
Hello.
that's amazing.
Whoa. Okay, time to open. Looks like
Let's open it up.
looks like a pig to me, but oh, what is it?
What is it?
I think it's supposed to grow bigger though.
I like it.
Whoa.
Dad, hold it.
What is that?
Can you open it? Can you
Gotta
please?
crack it.
I think it's supposed to grow. You know those things that grow?
Oh, yeah.
It said wait 3 days.
What do you think, Eden?
Yes.
Yeah, is that big? Here's that camera. It's a Sony a7 III, I think it's called. Anyway, bought it for work, and it's really cool. It's a great camera. Oh, I was about to head downstairs. I forgot the lotion on my face. And yeah, but we're about to take the girls out. Give me a sec here. All right, girls are out. Molly got them out. They're waiting for me in the car. Busy day. I'm getting a haircut. Gonna go to the Cairo. It's a Saturday. Get my shoes. Yeah, it's been a little while, man. Honestly, I just kind of been down because, you know, I haven't had a job. But, oh, by the way, if you haven't heard, she got the keys. I got a job. So excited. God is so good. You know, just when you're kind of on your end of the line, God's like, I got you. I mean, not like financially or anything. I was fine. You know, I had to sell my assets to survive, but just kind of feelings-wise, you know? I was like, just kind of feeling down. And God came through at the end. So where the heck did they go? There she is. All right, here I come, baby. She's probably just running the car to keep the girls cool with the air. It's getting warm here. Can I drive?
Yeah. You took like 25 minutes to get you ready.
I'm like a girl, taking so long. It's the hair. Been growing the hair out. It's making me take longer because my hair. Hey girls, love you girls.
You take longer getting ready than I do. By far.
I think you're right, babe.
By far.
Well, I kind of shaved a little bit.
I was like,
I wear
what
my
the-
sunscreen.
I was kind of like, where are you? Like the girls and I were in 91 degrees. Okay, let's go.
All right, let's go. Sayla, who's bigger, you or Daddy?
I am.
Yeah, you're taller, huh? Your head's higher.
Give me a tire.
Yeah, and let's check on Eden. Eden, she just finished her little sucker she got from the Cairo. Have a little juice. You want it? These girls are so cute, getting so big. All right, Sayla, let's see. Put your head next to Daddy.
Okay.
Who is a bigger head?
I am.
No, Daddy has a bigger head.
Look how big I am.
Yeah, you're getting big though. You're growing up so fast. I just can't believe it, you guys. These girls. You know, I haven't vlogged for a little bit, and it's like, I'm sure for you it's even a bigger difference just seeing how big they are. Eden, those are old lollipop sticks. The things kids put in their mouth, huh, Sayla? Molly has ran into Old Navy. She's picking up an online order, so we're just waiting in the car for her. And, oh man, entertaining these girls. It ain't for the heart.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
Mommy.
Mommy, what about Daddy?
Daddy.
That's right, Mommy and Daddy. We love you. We just love.
Eden.
And Eden? Let's see Eden. Let's check back on Eden. Still sucking on those sucked on suckers, huh? I don't think Eden likes all that hair in her face. All right, well, we'll check back in with you. I don't know where Molly is. She should be here by now. But
Yeah,
anyway.
her toy.
Yeah, she'll be back soon. Oh, there she is. You know.
Really packed in there. They have like a little fire truck set up and snacks for kids. And
Did you buy a
Good
snack?
thing we didn't take the girls
no,
in
but
there.
there's a ton of snacks they could have
They
had.
just
in, like,
had a snack and then we're gonna get yogurt later.
Okay, because they would have liked that.
I know. Let's get in the car and go.
I
All right, we just put our name down for Great Clips, and it's about a half-hour wait. So we're like, well, what's around here? So there's a Winco. We'll check it out. Well, just wasn't thinking. I should have put my name down on their app, but whatever.
Yeah, we're like, should we get burritos first or the haircut? And we're like, we'll do haircut. It's a little bit of a drive, but.
Look at these girls. Aren't they great sisters?
Something.
You know, they fight, but I'd say a lot of the times they're pretty good. I'm not just tooting my horn lying to make it sound like we have this perfect family, because y'all know, like, we vlog some of the rough stuff too, like me not having a job and stuff. So I'm honest when I say they're actually pretty good sisters.
Yeah, look.
That's so sweet. Sayla, you do a good job, hun, with your sister. Thank you. Eden's found a ball. What do you think, babe? We don't really come to Winco. I don't think we've ever shopped at Winco.
No, but I'm like looking at
Kind of
everything.
cool. Yeah, everything's like full.
That one's pretty good. Look, it's just Hass avocados, tomatillos, water, onion, whole
Ooh, yummy. Eden!
I've been making my own guacamole though, huh?
This girl's just running around like crazy. You guys, I totally forgot to share that we are expecting, and some of you probably know because you've seen our Facebook, but some of you don't. And baby,
Yeah.
let's see the bill.
Oh, you can't see anything.
Let's see it.
It's 14 weeks, but no, there's nothing. It's funny because in certain clothes you can see, but I specifically wear clothes that kind of hide it because I'm at
Yeah.
that like chunky stage, or it just looks chunky. So I just.
No, I don't think so. It's totally a baby bump, babe.
Well, you can't see it right now.
Let me see.
There's nothing now. I'll have to show you later. I'll have
No,
to show
that's
you
a
later.
baby bump, hun.
Okay, I'll show you later.
All right, guys, I got Jenny here cutting my hair, and honestly, this is the first time I've ever really grown it out, so just kind of getting it trimmed, and yeah, just kind of experimenting with the long hair, and yeah, so turns out it's only $5 to get Sayla's haircut, so Molly's over there. We're getting Sayla signed up. Sayla, you gonna get some bangs? Do you want some bangs, honey?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get you some bangs, girl, so the hair's not in your face all the time. You excited?
Yeah.
It's kind of a spur of the moment kind of thing for Sayla. We weren't really thinking about getting her haircut walking in here, but now that we're here, we're like, yeah, let's get her haircut too.
Sayla's gonna get some little bangs. Oh, cute. Oh, looks really cute on you. Look at that, it's a new look. You still have
All right.
your long hair, but yeah, she's like, I don't want to get rid of my long hair.
Wow, Sayla, can I see your hair? Can I see? Oh my goodness. Look at that.
You wanna
It
do
looks so cute. I love it.
Thank you so
Wow.
much.
Yeah,
you want to
thank
do
you.
a picture real quick for mommy?
That's
Send it to
great.
Netta, 'cause she doesn't get to see.
She kind of looks like Julia with her haircut.
Yeah. Oh, Eden's like, oh, Eden's so like, what's going on? I'll splash a taste of it in there, but
Still getting used to
I
Sayla's
didn't get the
haircut.
kids one, so I know.
I don't know if I showed mine yet or not.
Okay,
but
let me go
just
get
trim.
some. No. Okay. Take them by their salsa in it. Rice beans.
Whoa, that's a lot of straws.
I'm happy I said light on the. Last time I had so much sour cream, it was like overtaking, so I said light on it.
Nice. All right, guys, Sayla wants to show you something. What do you got, Sayla?
Watch this.
Whoa, where'd you go? Is it your fort?
Yeah, look over there.
Whoa.
One up for that.
Hi, Eden. What are you doing?
I add up.
You climbing up? You gonna go down? Can Daddy see you go down?
Daddy.
Whoa! Good job, girl. All right, you guys. Sayla's been naughty. I'm gonna go get her. I'm gonna get her with the noodle.
Get off, Teddy bear.
I'll get your sister too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, she's fast, but I'm faster. Come back here. Let's whack mommy too. Whack. Gotta be careful though, she's briggers. There's just no mercy for these girls. Go ahead, Sue. All right, go ahead. There's no mercy. My dad used to do that to me as a kid. There's no mercy. Well, I guess especially when it doesn't hurt, you know. It's okay.